Okay, next we have Karna map. Okay, the Karna map is also called as K map. Karna map is also called as K map, and the K map is a graphical tool to finding the sum of products and product of sum in the simplified Boolean expressions. So the K map is used to simplify or to find out the sum of products and product of sum in the simplified manner. And in this K map we are using three words. Those are like first one, that is cell, and second one, that is pair, and third one, that is quad. And these all are the three words we use quietly. And coming to the cell, here the K map can be drawn like this for the two variable. Here I am taking A and this is B, and 0 1 and 0 1. Okay, coming to the two variables, we will get the combination of 2 square is equal to 4. What are the combinations we will get here? 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 and 1 1. That means 4 combinations. Okay, so the two variable K map will be get the four combinations, and here A is equal to 0, I am taking 0 1 and B is equal to 0 1. Okay, so A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then this will be treated as 0. Okay, and A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then this will becomes under 1. Okay, and A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then this will be 2, and A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1 here, then this is equal to 3. And coming to the cell, that cell is nothing but one single term, so this is called as cell. Okay, and coming to the pair, the group of two variables or three variables, that is called as pair. So coming to this one, this is called as pair. Okay, and coming to the third one, that is quad, the group of four variables is called as quad. Okay, so these all are used to simplify the Boolean expressions, and we will discuss about the two variable K map, three variable K map and four variable K map now, and this is a two variable K map. Next, three variable K map. See, when we take the three variables, that means 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to 8. We will get 8 combinations. What are the combinations we have? Those are 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 combinations we will get when we will take the three variables like A, B, C. So when we take three variables, we will get the 8 combinations here. Coming to the three variable K map, we will draw the three variable K map like and this side I am taking A and this side we are taking B and C. Okay, so here I am taking 0, A is equal to 0 and A is equal to 1, and this can be written as B, C is equal 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 0 1 0 1. So 0 0 0 that is equal to 0 and 0 0 1 that is equal to 1 and 0 1 1 that is equal to 3 and 0 0 1 that is equal to, here we will get 1 0, that is 0 1 0 is equal to 2, and coming to 1 0 0 that is 4 and 1 0 1 5 1 1 0 that is 1 0 that is equal to 6, and this is a 7. This is a 7. Okay, so this is the actual three variable K map here, and we have to simplify in the sum of products and product of sum. Okay, take it as an example. Find out the or simplify the Boolean expression y of a comma b comma c is equal to y of a comma b comma c is equal to, that is the variables are 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So the given variables are 0 and we are finding this problem in the sum of products and we have to indicate with ones. Okay, so the 0 here I am indicating 1 and 1 here I am indicating 1 and 2 coming to 1 and 5 and 6 both are 1. Okay, so we have to take these all are the variables in three terms. Those all are cell and pair and quad. Okay, so here I am taking these two variables as a common and here a is a not variable, that is 0 and 1, so that's why here I am taking b and c bar, b and c bar, and coming to the these two variables, here I am collecting these two variables and we can write here this side a is equal to 0 and b, a is equal to 1, so that's why we haven't to take this as a common, and this side b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 1. So 0 indicates that is a complement and 1 indicates that is a actual variable. Okay, so here the simplified, here 1 and 1 we can take the corner variables, we can take the corner variables, and this side a is equal to 0 and this side b and c we will get, so that's why we will get for this we will get a is equal to 0, so that means we can write this is as a bar. So finalized expression, that is y of a comma b comma c is equal to y of a comma b comma c is equal to a bar plus b into c bar plus b c bar. So this is the finalized k map for the given expression y of a comma b comma c is equal to 0 comma 1 2 5 6. So this is the finding the sum of products by using the k map. Next coming to the four variable k map, when we take the four variables like a b c d, we will get the 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so we have to get the 16 combinations like 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 1 0 and 0 111. Okay, next 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 0 1 0 11 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 11. Okay, so these are the 16 combinations we will get when we take the four variables. And coming to the four variable k map, we can draw like this, and here this side I am taking the a and b, and coming to this side here we are taking c and d, and we have to get the 16 boxes here. 1. Okay, so these are the 16 combinations, and this side 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and coming to this side 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 represents the AB value in the complement or actual variable. Okay, coming to this side CD values are represents in the actual value or complement value. Okay, so 0 0 0 is equal to 0 and 0 0 0 1 is equal to 1 and 0 0 1 1 this is equal to 3 and 0 0 1 0 is equal to 2. So similarly the equivalent binary digits, when we will get 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, next here 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, so this is the actual 4 variable K map, and we have a terms, those are sum of products and product of sum, and sum of products are called as min terms, and product of sums are called as max terms, and these min terms are represented with summation sigma small m, and max terms are represented with pi of capital M. So take an example, simplify y of a comma b comma c comma d. Y of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m of the variables 0 comma 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 14 and 15. Okay, so these are the variables, and we have to simplify those variables by using the 4 variable K map. Okay, so the given variables are variables, and we have to represent with 1. Okay, 0 is given, and 1 is also given, and 2 given, 4 given, 5 6 and 7 also given, 8 and 9 also given, 14 and 15 also given. Okay, so these all are the variables, and we have to take as a cell or pair or quad. So here I am taking these 4 variables are quad. Okay, so when we take the quad, we will get a is equal to 0 1 here, and b is equal to 1 1. So what is common here? B is equal to 1, and that is common, and coming to this side, c is equal to 1 and 1, and d is equal to 1 0. So here the c is a common, so we have to take this term is equal to b into c, and again we have here the 4 terms, and we can take it as a simple manner, and coming to this quad, we will get a is equal to 0 0 is a common here, so that's why a indicates that is a complement of a, and here coming to 0 0 0 1, here 0 0 is a common, so that's why that it can be a bar into c bar. So the remaining variables here, this is this one and this 2, and here I am taking these two variables and these 2 variables. To simplify, I am taking these 2 and these 2 variables, coming to this side 1 0 and 0 0, then we will get 0 as a common, so that is indicates b bar, and coming to this side 0 0 0 1, here we have a common, that is 0, that is c bar. Okay, so that the cell gives the actual variables. So how many variables we have, then this will be gives the variables. So this terms gives this side, that is a bar into b bar into c into d bar. So the finalized Boolean expression for the given y of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m of 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 5 6 7 8 9 14 15 can be written as 1 2 3 combinations b into c plus a bar into c bar plus a bar into b bar c into d bar. Okay, if we write these all are the min terms, then we will get that is equal to, so this b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1, then we will take instead of 0 0, then we will get a 0 0 1 1 is equal to m3 comma here a is equal to 1 and b a bar is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 and c bar is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1. That means 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 is equal to m5 comma these all are 0 0 1 0, that is equal to m2. So these all are the min terms we will get for this actual given function. Okay, coming to the simple problem, that is simplify f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m of 0 1 2 4 5 8 and 10. So these all are the given variables and we have to simplify by using the k map. See here the summation m indicates this is in the form of sum of products. Okay, and here if the given function is in the pi capital M, then this will be in the form of product of sum. Okay, so we have to simplify the given boolean expression and we have to find out the simplified boolean expression for the 4 variable f of a comma b comma c comma d. And if we draw the 4 variable k map here, so always we have to take the left side, that is A and B, and right side C and D. We have the combinations like 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. These all are the combinations and the given variables are we have to indicate with the cap 1. Okay, so this is 1 and 0 0 1 and this is also 1 and 2 and 4 2 3 4 5 6 7 is not there, 8 9 10 11 10 is there and 11 12 and 13 14 are not there. Okay, so this is the k map and we have to map all these. Okay, that means we have to map all the variables. So this is a quad mapping and we will get for the equivalent is 0 0 0 1, then 0 is a common, that is a bar, and for this 0 0 0 1 0 is a common, that is c bar. Okay, and here 1 and 2 3 4 variables, we can take these 4 variables and this is this side and this is a variable this side and we will get 4 combinations, 4 variables of the corner k map. Then we will get this side 1 0 0 0 0 is a common, that is b bar. Okay, and coming to 0 0 1 0, here 0 is a common, that can be written as b bar into d bar. So final expression, that is f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to a bar into c bar plus b bar into d bar. Okay, if in the question asks find out the min terms, then we can write this is as a 0 1 0 1 plus 0 1 0 1 plus, and a is not there, so we can write a is equal to 1 and b is complemented and that is 0, and c is not there, that is equal to 1, and d is complement, that is 0. So that is this is equivalent to 5, that can be written as m5 comma this 1010 equal to m10. So these all are the min terms for the given function f of a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, so these all are the essay questions in the final examinations that will be comes. Next another boolean function, that is simplify f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to pi of capital M of 4 comma 5 comma 6 7 8 12, and these all are the actual variables, and here the given variables don't care variables, those are 0 1 2 3 9 11 14 9 11 14. See here the don't care variables is used to simplify as much as short for this given boolean expressions. Coming to the actual 4 variable, this is a 4 variable k map, and the given function is in the form of product of sums, because of here pi of capital M, and here this side I am taking A and B, and this side C, D. We have to draw the lines here, and we will get 16 boxes here. Combinations is like 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and this side 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so these all are the combinations, and this is in the form of product of sum, and we have to indicate with zeros. We have to indicate with zeros, and these two don't care variables are with x. Don't care variables are with x. So actual variables are 4 5 6 7 8 and 12. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3 and 4 is there, so 0 4 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 9 10 11 12. So these are the actual variables, and the don't care variables are 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 is there, 9 10 11, so 11 is there, 11 12 13 14 is there, 14 is there, and 15 is not there. So these all are the actual given variables and don't care variables. And see, all these row and again second row is a common here, and here I am mapping all these 8 variables. Then we will get a, this side a is a common, that is 0 0, b is equal to 0 1, so we can write this side as a. Okay, so in this product of sum, 0 indicates that is the actual value and 1 indicates that is a complement value, so we can take it as 0 here. And coming to this side 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, there is no common, so this is equal to a, and coming to this side here 0 0 0, and here we have a don't care value, and I am mapping all these 4 variables. Then we will get 0 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 1. Here there is no common for the a and b, and this side 0 is 0. So coming to this side 0 0, this can be written as c plus d. So coming to here, this is, these two all are the don't care variables, and this is also don't care variable. Then we can write this as a, these two variables are mapped together, and this side 1 0 0 0, so 0 is a common here, that is equal to b. And coming to 0 1 1 here d plus d bar. So final expressions, we have to get f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, we have to get that is a plus b plus d bar plus c plus d into c plus d, that is sum of products, a into b plus d bar into c plus d. So this is the finalized Boolean expression. Okay.